Hello my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. Let's learn mathematics together. The aim of this channel is to help students overcome the fear of mathematics by learning the concept of math clearly. In this session, let's discuss about the chapter Quadratic Equations. The numerical what we are going to solve is find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the squares. And the equation is 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0. This numerical is a part of CBSE as well as NCERT for 10th standard mathematics. I am your trainer Venkatesh K. Now let us start the solution by noting down the problem. I have noted down the problem. The expectation is we will have to find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0 by the method of completing the squares. This problem is a part of quadratic equations. In our earlier videos, we've already seen that the roots of a quadratic equation can be found out by the method of factorization. Similar to factorization, this is one more method called as completing the squares method. Now, let's start the solution. The given equation looks like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is the standard form of quadratic equation. That is both the equation, that is given equation, and the standard form both contains first term as a x square term, second term both contain a x term, and third term both of the equations contain the constant term. The method of completing squares is comprising of 4 different steps. Now let us see an overview about what the steps to be followed to complete the method. That is, the first step is to convert the first term as a perfect square. That is, it should look like a square term. The first term of the equation is 2x square. This 2x square is to be converted to a perfect square. So this could be done by either multiplying the first term by 2 or by dividing the first term by 2. Suppose if we are dividing the first term by 2, then 2x square divided by 2 would be equal to x square. Since x square is a perfect square, therefore this is expressed as a perfect square. Or similarly, we can multiply the first term by 2. Therefore, upon multiplication, 2x square by 2 is 4x square, or 2x whole square is, it can be expressed as 2x whole square. That is this term. Since there is a whole square for the term, therefore this is expressed as a perfect square. Second term is to express the middle term as a 2ab term, and third step is to add and subtract b square. Fourth step is to either apply a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square to simplify and find the roots of the quadratic equation. Now let us start the solution by step number 1. Here let us multiply the first term 2x square by 2 to express it as a perfect square. In order to multiply the first term by 2, let us multiply both LHS as well as RHS by 2. On multiplying by 2, all the terms of LHS would be multiplied by 2, and on RHS it would be 2 multiplied by 0. So 0 multiplied by any number would be 0. On RHS we would be having a number 0. Whereas on LHS 2 will be multiplied to all the terms, that is 2 into 2x square is 4x square, 2 into x is 2x, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Now 4x square can also be expressed as 2x whole square. Therefore 2x whole square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Since the first term is now a perfect square, that is 2x whole square, therefore step number 1 is completed. Now to start this step number 2, we will have to express the middle term, that is 2x, as a 2ab term. Now a in this case is 2x. A in this case is a 2x. So here I have 2x, which means there is a term. I don't have a 2ab term. Therefore, let's multiply and divide by 2 for the second term. That is 2x whole square as it is minus 8 as it is. So these two terms would remain as it is. Whereas for the second term, I have divided and multiplied by 2x. Upon multiplying and dividing by 2, we would be having 2 into 2x divided by 2, because I want 2ab. A is 2x. So therefore, let's retain numerator 2 as it is. that is this 2, and 2x term also as it is. Whatever is left, we would be considering it as b, that is half. Now, the middle term 2x has been expressed as 2 into a into b. Therefore, this completes the step number 2. Now, let us start the step number 3. Step number 3 is to add and subtract b square, that is, let us add and subtract 1 by 2 whole square. Therefore, upon adding and subtracting half whole square or 1 by 2 whole square on LHS, we would be having the terms as all the other terms would remain as it is. A square and 2ab also minus 8 would remain as it is. We would be adding and subtracting 1 by 2 whole square. This completes step number 3. Now, since the middle term contains a plus sign here, that is 2ab contains a plus sign, therefore we will have to apply a plus b whole square. So we know a formula called as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or on swapping the terms, the same formula can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Now, the 3 terms here on LHS of the formula and the first 3 terms of the numerical are looking similar. Wherever there is a, there is 2x. Wherever there is b, there is half. So it looks like a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now let us apply this formula. On applying formula, the first 3 terms would be replaced by the a plus b whole square, that is 2x plus half whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 8 is equal to 0. Since we have applied the formula a plus b whole square, step number 4 is completed. Therefore, in order to simplify further, we will have to simplify this equation to find the value of x. Now let us see how to do that. Now we know a formula of theory of indices called as a by b whole power m, that is a power m by b power m. Now 1 by 2 whole square is looking like a power m by b power m. Therefore 2x plus half whole square minus 1 square by 2 square minus 8 is equal to 0 is what I am getting here. I have applied a formula. Now 1 square by 2 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. Now remaining 2 terms as it is. Now in order to simplify these 2 terms, let's take LCM. LCM would be 4. So on taking LCM, the LCM is 4 and 1 minus 4 8s or 8 4s is 32. Therefore, minus 1 minus 32 divided by 4 is minus 33 divided by 4. In order to find the value of x, let's transpose the 33 by 4 term to RHS. On transpose, minus 33 by 4 would become plus 33 by 4. That is 2x plus half whole square is equal to 33 by 4. Now 2x plus half is equal to plus or minus square root of 33 by 4. Now square root of 33 by 4 would be equal to square root 33 by square root 4. So what I have done is I have split the power. So since there is a by b term, both the terms should be having the power, that is square root 33 by square root 4. So square root 33 cannot be simplified further. Let's retain as it is. But square root of 4 is equal to 2. Now let's use this particular square root of 33 divided by 2 in place of this. Therefore, 2x plus half is equal to plus or minus square root of 33 divided by 2. Upon simplification, 2x is equal to, now this plus half is transposed towards the RHS, it would become minus half. Therefore, minus half plus or minus square root of 33 divided by 2. Or 2x is equal to minus half plus square root 33 by 2, or minus half minus square root 33 by 2. Upon taking 2 as a LCM, we would be getting minus 1 plus root 33 whole divided by 2, or minus 1 minus root 33 whole divided by 2. Upon transpose of the 2 from LHS, 2 would get multiplied by 2, that is x is equal to minus 1 plus square root 33 divided by 4 and minus 1 minus square root 33 divided by 4. These two are the required roots of the given equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, the solution is completed. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.